When you want to complete this quiz review, please be sure to use your packet. Go back and look up examples just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Please read the directions to determine if what is given is or is not a function. 8 and 9, determine the domain and range from the graph. Just as a quick review, your answers should follow the format: domain, something less than or equal to x, less than or equal to something. Range will follow the same format, however, we're going to switch to the y. How far south, how far north. Fill in the boxes. Evaluating the function involves going to f of x, and every place there's an x, replace it with -3. Bring down the 3 times -3, subtract 17, and put that into your calculator. Number 11 is a word problem. There are usually 2 parts to every word problem. There's going to be the flat fee or set cost, and then the variable amount. When it says write a function rule, we're going to use the notation of f of x or other letters. The function has to model the total cost for buying X number of DVDs. The cost for buying X number of DVDs is going to equal a flat shipping cost plus $12 each, which indicates 12x. If you want to know how many 5 DVDs cost, how much, substitute in and find C of 5. You will need to fill in this over here based on the problem, and then the next line, which is the substitution. If x and y vary directly, please remember y over x is equal to y over x, where this is going to be your first part, this is going to be the second part, which go into here. This information, x equal to 5, y equals to 20, is the first part. Blue box. Find x, which is the variable, when y is 12 will be the red box. Slope formula is very straightforward. Set it up, substitute, use the n over d button on your calculator, and solve. Finding the x and y intercepts. For the x-intercepts, we know that y is equal to 0. So I substitute that in. 6x minus 4 times 0 equals 24. This is going to go away because anything times 0. I'm then going to solve 6x is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 6. I get x is equal to 4. 4, 0 is my x-intercept. I then can find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we know that x is going to be 0, and we're going to find the y value. So 6 times 0 minus 4 y is equal to 24. Cancels. To Divide both sides by -4. -24 divided by -4 is -6. Y-intercept. Sue was starting a savings account. After 2 weeks, she had $200. After 5 weeks, she had $350. This problem is going to involve rate of change, which means slope. You're going to have to set up 2 ordered pairs where we talk about time versus money. And then use the slope formula. Graphing of each line. I have a B value. The B value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be plotted. I then use the slope, which is the number in front of x, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1 to draw my line. Some cases, like 27, I need to solve for y. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. Again, my b value is -3. My slope is up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, drawing the line, and you're done. (30 and 31), you have to find m from the picture, find b from the picture, and write your answer.